In light of the dengue outbreak, schools in Portmore St. Catherine are taking steps to reduce the risk to students. We visited two such schools located in areas where dengue cases are reportedly high.
Waterford Portmore is among the areas in St. Catherine where suspected and confirmed dengue cases are high. Already there have been 2 deaths from the area linked to the disease. Schools like the Waterford High School will be getting special attention by the authorities due to the risks.
We have perhaps about 4 or so teachers that were out, 4 to 6 teachers, 2 came back, that were out on suspected cases of dengue. And we have students that would have shown symptoms of dengue and they would have left. We have not heard whether it is confirmed or not, but we are affected by it.
The dengue outbreak could be considered a blessing in disguise for Waterford High. With a limited budget, the school could not afford a major cleanup exercise.
We have been plagued with the challenge, particularly of the overgrown bushes and among other things. But you know, we have financial constraints. So I am very, 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 very happy that the mayor is lending assistance, particularly at this time we have the dengue issue.
Over at Portsmouth Primary School,
before we went off for the Christmas holidays, we received word that a student had passed, and the doctors at the Bustamante Hospital for Children said it was a confirmed dengue case.
there have also been other suspected cases of the disease in recent weeks.
We have had days when we have had up to 9 children going home, but we want to be certain. So when the parents come in to get them, we say to them, take the child to the doctor before going home to ensure that it is not a case of the dengue, because we wouldn't want to have a repeat of what has happened.
And while the school's administration prides itself on keeping the surroundings clean, in the Portsmouth community, the mosquito nuisance continues to be a major problem.
Lord have mercy, me first day, me tell her me don't come out of the street. And she used to come up to come try to do little thing, but nobody now come out and do nothing, you know.
One of the main reasons why this scheme always seems to always be in the front run when it comes to mosquito is because the canal, there's a canal that runs right along the scheme that needs treatment. That's where the real source of the mosquito are, and that stretch go all the way up back to Waterford. That is why you always have Waterford and Portsmouth. So I believe that's where the focus should be on.